Hello guys, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm back with another video. I am also good. Today I'm unboxing Redmi Note 10 Pro 8GB RAM 128GB storage. Let's get started. In box, first thing we can see is the design by Redmi. It is a mini box and I guess there will be a phone case in this mini box. Yeah, I was right. There is a phone case and a warranty card. Second thing in the box is the phone itself. Let's have a look in the box until the phone is turning on. This is the silicone case of the phone. It has very good build quality. Further in box we can see a 33-watt fast charger. Last thing in the box is the Type-C cable. That's all for unboxing. Let's discuss the best part of the video, the spec. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone has 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone can record up to 4K 30 frames max video. The processor that Mi has used in this phone is Snapdragon 732G. This phone is powered by 520 mAh battery capacity. The phone supports up to 33-watt fast charging through Type-C. The phone has IP53 dust and splash protection. The phone has UFS 2.2 storage for the fast data copying and transfer. The phone has great dual speaker setup and side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now let's take a look to the best thing of the device that makes it better than its competition, the display of the smartphone. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch full AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 capable display with a PPI of 395, peak brightness of 1200 nits and typical brightness of 450 nits. This phone has one of the best displays, good viewing angles and the visibility under sunlight is also great. The phone is complete package and worth in 2021 and even in 2022. I hope you will like this video. If so, drop a like. If not, drop a dislike. Your boy is signing off. Take care. Allah Hafiz.